How important is innovation in business? Innovation can deliver significant benefits and is one of the critical skills for achieving success in any business. Gaining competitive advantage is just one of the many reasons why companies decide to invest in innovation. Successful, innovative businesses are able to keep their operations, services and products relevant to their customers' needs and changing market conditions. According to Deloitte, only 12% of the Fortune 500 companies from 1955 are still in business and half of the S&P 500 companies will be replaced in the next 10 years. In addition to gaining competitive advantage, companies choose to innovate to maximize ROI. Increased competitive advantage and continuous innovation often has a direct impact on performance and profitability. Increase productivity. The point of innovation is to increase output with the same amount of input. Improved productivity and efficiency makes work more meaningful as less time needs to be spent on low-impact tasks. Enhance company culture. Innovation increases the ability to acquire, create and make the best use of competencies, skills and knowledge and can help build a culture of continuous learning, growth and personal development. Generally speaking, the only way to stay relevant in the competitive market is through constant improvement and innovation. Companies operate inside some chosen implicitly or explicitly ecosystem, including their target markets. Such ecosystems are never static, although some change faster than others. In addition, most companies want to grow to increase value for shareholders or principals. Thus they must also seek to expand their ecosystem. The ecosystem also typically includes competitors who seek to take away market share from a given company. Companies need to innovate in response to changes in the ecosystem, including competitor actions, usually some form of innovation, and to expand their role in the ecosystem and increase value to shareholders' principals. Companies should also try to anticipate likely changes in the ecosystem in their innovation strategy if such changes are likely to occur faster than it would take to implement an innovative response. Companies go out of business every day and some are acquired and restructured. Lack of innovation or inappropriate innovation is a major cause of such occurrences. Conversely, companies that continue to innovate in response to or in anticipation of changes in their chosen ecosystems tend to thrive. Monitoring and understanding the ecosystem in which companies operate is key to successful innovation. In the era of continuous innovation and market disruption, companies are seeking new ways to redefine and grow their businesses. To answer to the changes on the market and keep their firm position, companies find themselves in a fight between the traditional model that is proven with results and the modern business model that requires risk and bold moves from the companies. The revolution of innovation prescribes that every company eventually has to embrace the changes in their business model. With the new type of collaboration, companies are open to sharing not only knowledge and technology, but also clients, markets, business models, etc. This creates new opportunities, not seen till then, and corporates must embrace change and open their doors for inflow of new ideas and out-of-the-box thinking. This creates more sustainable value for the company that embraces it. For some companies, no innovations are necessary. They are happy to sell the same product year after year, with little new R&D and advertising costs, and the money keeps rolling in. For others, particularly high-tech companies, they must constantly innovate non-stop to sell new upgrades, or additions to their product, and/or find new product lines. A long time ago, I think it was Marlboro cigarettes that invented the flip-top box. As a result, Marlboro became one of the best-selling cigarette brands in the world. I remember one Russian émigré back in the 70s in Israel asking me what was the point of it? Why did Marlboro waste $1 million, then a considerable amount of money, just to add this irrelevant innovation? To his still Soviet communist mindset, this is a capitalist waste of money. It was hard for him to grasp the concept of marketing. That customers will buy more of this company's product just for the novelty of it. But to that mindset, it was just a waste of the time of smart people to sit around and create nonsense like that. But then, that's why the Soviet economy went nowhere and collapsed.